distant fire the planet spun, born from echoes of a newborn sun. The gas and stone, the ice and flame, each took a path, each earned a name. From Mercury's rush to Neptune's deep, the stars still guard what we can keep. Children of the sun, we rise and fall, circling light that binds us all. Through frozen, dark and blazing skies, we chase the dawn where wonder lies. The gas giants hum with thunder sound, while rocky hearts hold solid ground. Moons in dance, their shadows spin, old volcanoes sleep, new storms begin. Comets whisper with icy tales and wonder where the sunlight fails. Each world a note in the cosmic choir, each orbit tuned to the music of fire. Children of the sun, we rise and fall, bound by the flame that made us all. Through time and tide, through dust and dreams, we sail the light on solar streams. Galilean moons with glacial cries, ringed horizons and crimson skies. Pluto drifts on the frozen line, yet still it sings, the edge is mine. From mountain peaks to shadowed seas, we measure the stars, we chase the keys. Children of the sun, forever we roam through cosmic night to find our home. Each world a story, each star begun.